finishing up a kitchen renovation right now, and it really bugs me that there's been zero innovation with these electrical outlets. Let me show you. This is my 1970s electrical outlet. This is what I was swapping out in the kitchen. Let me show you what I replaced it with. This one here. The best they could do in 50 years was to flip one upside down. Okay, so it's one upside down outlet and a screwless cover plate. It looks good, I like it, it's different. I tried my best to find interesting outlets for this kitchen renovation, and there are two other types that I haven't shown you so far. Let me show you those now. I have this one here with a built-in nightlight. To be honest, this is really useful. I might do a review on this later in another video. And I have this one here. This one has a built-in USB outlet, two of them, so it saves a bit of space. But that's about it for innovation. You don't have a lot more choices. I'll show you what I mean. I'm at a big box store right now, so let me show you the options you get. This is no different than what I have at home. Gotta replace. They have some different colors. They all look pretty standard. This one has lights on it, but I don't see any that has a motion sensor that's connected to your home security, because I would like that. I don't see any here that has a display that reads out how many amps you've used, so you know if the next device you connect will trip things. That's it for choice. There's not a lot of options. I feel like this is a really exciting area that has a lot of potential if somebody pays attention to it. There's already an electrical source, so there's a lot that can be done. I hope somebody's listening and takes on some of the ideas.